Hi, you have often seen this 3D text animation in which text is coming towards the screen. In this video, I will show you that how you can do it. First, create a new composition and rename it as main comp. For resolution, duration is okay. And add a new solid, change the color to black, lock it, and write a text. You can write some code. Now we will start the main part. To add the text, in animate, add tracking, and in the range selector, change the offset to 100, keyframe it, and on around 3 to 4 seconds, the duration that in which you want the text to completely come towards the screen, and change it to -100. In this advanced section, maybe we'll make some changes, and based on, since we are moving the words not characters, change it to words, and the shape, change it to ramp down, and change the percentage of ease high to -84 and ease low to 90. So enable this random order and change the random seed to 95. And after that, in the more options, change the anchor point grouping to all, not just characters, all. And in the animator one, we will add some properties. First property is scale and its opacity, and the last one is blurriness. So change the scale to 3000, opacity to 0, and increase the blurriness or the blur to 100. Select and F9 to easy ease. And here you can see it's looking good. Now we can make some changes in the graph editor like this. So in this way, you can tweak with this graph editor in the animation. If you want to play it in a 3D layer, you can also enable this 3D layer and also enable the motion blur like this. So it will blur the text when it's coming towards the screen. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.